So one thing I hate is people making videos, and in the beginning of this video, you know, you're trying to get some info on how to fix something, and then they play their intro, you know. Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm a car guy. Well, no, you ain't gonna have that here. I'm just gonna real quick tell you what's going on and how to fix this problem, alright? You ain't gotta wait forever. So, as you can see, the gas tank won't close, the door won't close, stay closed. It's a simple problem. I'm telling you, I did everything possible. I mean, I literally used WD-40 up here. I opened the trunk up, went through the back. I took this part apart. All right, so it's not that big of an issue. BMWs have an issue with this simple item right here. Okay, when you close the door, it sticks out like this, and it jams in there, so it doesn't lock in here. You see what I mean? So when you're closed, so all you gotta do, it's a simple fix, is move this. Move it, watch. See that? I don't know if BMW thought of that, but it happens. It happens a lot. I'm like, man, I'm taking this car back and getting a new one. No, I'm kidding. But see, easy fix. Hope that helped you, you know. And dudes, you know, if you're making a video on how to fix cars, please don't do a long intro. You know what I mean? Nobody likes a half an hour intro. Because I ain't trying to see. I'm not trying to subscribe to you. I know you're trying to become a professional mechanic, YouTuber, but I'm not down for that. I'm trying to get some info, see if I can fix my problem, you know, and move on. You know, because a lot of times you spend like 20 minutes listening to someone. So I'm a professional car guy. Nah, man, I ain't down for that. So anyway, hope that helped you. Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you want. I don't really give a damn. Hoping to make some money on this video. You know, helps out. Every penny helps. Peace.